So take me away.
Everybody, how you all doing? Hope doing great. Okay, I've got a great unboxing for you all today. By the way, I was having alcohol time, so yay, it's Friday. So yeah, I just went to Louis Vuitton store a couple of days back to get something for me. So I ended up getting a Louis Vuitton belt. It's pretty cute actually. So yeah, let me just do an unboxing for you all. By the way, a couple of days back I also got this. It's a coin pochette by Louis Vuitton. Let me show you. Okay, it's a monogram style coin pochette. I already did a separate unboxing for it. You can check actually if you want to. So yeah, let's just get through it. So there's the box it comes with. And then inside the box, I've got my receipt. Once you open your receipt, I have this. I paid about $670, I guess. Let me check. There you go. Inside this comes with like this. You just have to, because there's a leather strap on it, so you just have to push it. There you go. Got dust bag inside. A couple of other stuff. The belt. My size is 38. I don't know if it can focus or not, but mine was made in Spain, and it looks something like this. Okay, mine is Louis Vuitton Monogram style, LV initials, gold hardware. Okay, I'll try to wear it for you all. Okay, so yeah, you can see better. Wow, it's gonna be a tough shit. Wow. There you go. This is how I wear, and I also use my coin pochette. Just like this, and I put it in my back pocket, just like this, or I take it out. Feels good. I mean, it feels nice when you wear it. The quality is amazing. So I mean, yeah, it does feel good. I do enjoy wearing it a lot. In fact, I wear it most of the time. So yeah, but I also have a couple of issues with this belt. I would like to highlight with you. First thing, this thing is scratch magnet. It will get scratched very easily, so be careful with it. However, if you go to Louis Vuitton, they will charge you $80 and they're going to replace this for free. So that's a good thing. However, mine is very new, so I'm not having many issues. There is one issue though. My belt has this after wearing it first a couple of times, I think. Yeah, I don't know what's that. If you guys know what this is, just let me know, because there's a buckle and then something like this. The rest, the belt is pretty fine, I guess. When I was getting this belt, the guy who works in Louis Vuitton, he often suggests me many things. So he suggested me that monogram style canvas is kind of strong material, so it won't really get scratched or you will not see many wear and tear in this. It's pretty strong material. That's what he said to me. And then I also got a couple of more stuffs as well from Louis Vuitton. I got a wallet as well. I'm gonna do unboxing, separate unboxing of it, but I'll just show you the wallet. It's a Damir bind. It's a 6 card by 4. I have got my hot stamping, aka Ashi. So yeah, bear with it. I'm gonna surely do an unboxing for it. And also I'll do a separate unboxing for my special purchase. That's my Rolex Date 8 President Gold. I'm wearing actually right now. So yeah, just wait for a while. I'll do the unboxing. So I mean, yeah. So have a great weekend, guys. It's already Friday, so Saturday and Sunday, it's gonna be fun. And enjoy yourselves. And if you have any questions regarding this belt, you can ask me. And if you have any other questions regarding my coin pochette or the wallet, you can ask me as well. Do subscribe, and adios. Peace. Bye.
Kick it off,